Hi everyone, I'm Chadwick.
I'm Joe, and together we're Big Idea Design. Last year, we launched a pocket-friendly screwdriver that we called the Bit Bar.
It was our first attempt at transforming a traditional full-size screwdriver into a pocket-friendly tool designed for everyday carry.
Today, we're back with a new pocket tool that we call the TI-EDC wrench.
We found a full-size, antique Swedish adjustable wrench and instantly knew we wanted to create a pocket-friendly version that would be more practical, comfortable, and convenient to carry every day.
Despite its smaller size, it still maintains a proper full-size grip for tougher tasks. It's made from solid graphite titanium and has a sturdy deep carry titanium pocket clip, so it has a similar pocket profile as a pocket knife.
Adjusting the tool to fit on bolts is very intuitive and utilizes a time-tested design, ensuring you always have a firm grip on the bolt. This pocket wrench works well in various on-the-go situations and is built to last a lifetime.